You're listening to Happy Hearts Hub, where stories bring dreams to life. Ollie and the Princess Portal, the Warrior's Fire. The magical library greeted Ollie with its warm glow, the hourglass pulsing in his hands. Tonight, a book shimmered in fiery orange and crimson, its cover crackling like embers. The guardian of stories appeared, its voice calm but serious. This tale takes place in a kingdom threatened by a powerful dragon. The princess seeks the stolen firestone, a sacred gem that keeps the dragon's power in balance. Will you help her? Ollie nodded firmly. I'll help her bring peace to her kingdom. As soon as he touched the glowing book, the library dissolved, and Ollie was swept into another adventure. Ollie landed at the foot of a towering mountain, its peak shrouded in smoke. The air smelled of ash, and faint roars echoed from above. Nearby, a princess in crimson armor stood, her dark hair tied back as she tightened the straps of her gauntlets. "Who are you?" she asked, her voice steady but curious. "I'm Ollie, and I'm here to help," he said. "What's happening to your kingdom?" "The Firestone has been stolen," she explained. "Without it, the dragon guarding the mountain has grown too powerful, turning our protector into a threat. I must retrieve it to save my people." Ollie looked up at the smoky mountain. "Let's do it together," he said with a determined nod. They began their climb up the rocky path, the air growing warmer with each step. The ground trembled slightly as the dragon's distant roar rumbled through the mountain. "The path ahead is filled with trials," the princess warned. "Only those with a true warrior spirit can succeed." The first trial appeared as they entered a narrow canyon. Flaming boulders rolled down the path toward them, forcing them to dodge and weave. "Stay close," Ollie shouted, grabbing the princess's hand as they darted between the rocks. At the end of the canyon, they reached a stone platform where the first symbol of fire glowed faintly. "We've passed the first trial," the princess said, catching her breath. The second trial brought them to a cave filled with molten rivers and shifting stone platforms. A carved inscription on the wall read, "Leap with courage," or "Fall to the flames." Ollie hesitated as the platforms bobbed in the fiery glow. "We'll need to jump together," he said. The princess nodded, and with perfect timing, they leaped from one platform to the next, each step requiring balance and precision. When they reached the other side, a second fire symbol lit up, marking their success. Finally, they reached the dragon's lair, where the firestone rested on a pedestal surrounded by flames. The dragon loomed above, its scales shimmering like molten gold. Its eyes narrowed as it spoke. "Who dares enter my domain?" It rumbled, its voice echoing through the cavern.
The princess stepped forward, her voice steady.
"I am here to restore balance. The Firestone belongs to my people." The dragon's gaze softened for a moment, but it spread its wings, sending a gust of hot wind through the cavern. "Prove your worth by facing the final trial," it said. The flames around the pedestal rose higher, and shadowy figures emerged, each one mirroring the princess's movements. "They're testing my skill," she said. Ollie held the hourglass tightly. "You can do this. I'll guide you." The princess moved with precision and grace, countering each shadowy figure's attack. Her determination and strength grew with every movement until the shadows dissolved, and the flames around the firestone dimmed. The dragon lowered its head, its voice reverent. "You have proven yourself. Take the stone and restore your kingdom." The princess carefully lifted the firestone, its glow warm and steady. The cavern filled with a golden light as the dragon's power returned to balance. As they descended the mountain, the skies cleared and the air became cool and refreshing. The kingdom's fields turned green again, and its people cheered as the princess returned with the firestone. "Thank you, Ollie," the princess said, her eyes filled with gratitude. "You've helped bring peace to my people." Before Ollie could reply, the hourglass glowed, and he was pulled back to the magical library. The guardian of stories appeared beside him, its voice warm. "Well done, Ollie. Your bravery has saved another kingdom." Ollie smiled. "What's the next adventure?" The guardian's eyes sparkled. "Rest now. Many more tales await, and they'll need your heart and courage." Ollie looked at the endless shelves, ready for the next journey. The end.